Hello friends, my name is Suel Saudagar and today topic is exception handling in Java. So the exception handling is the exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that normal flow of the application can be maintained. So this is a exception handling in Java. In this tutorial we, we, we will learn about the Java exception, its types and the difference between check-in unchecked exception. So what is the exception? Dictionary meaning: exception is an abnormal condition in Java. Exception in that event that disturb the normal flow of the object within a runtime. So what is the exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime error, class not found exception, IOE exception, SQLE exception, and remote exception, and array out of board exception. This is a total exception. Advantage of exception handling: the core advantage the exception handling is to the mechanism normal the application in normally disturb to the normal application. It is why to need handle exception. Let's consider statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and that will be, and statement 4 is the exception occurs. This is a else block executed. Suppose there are 10 statements in a Java program and exception is a fourth line. The rest of the code will not execute. That is, the statement will be not execute. However, when a perform exception handling of the statement will be execute. That the why we use exception in Java. Do you know what is the difference between checked and unchecked exception handling? Hierarchy of exception classes. The Java lang throwable class are the root class of the exception inheritance by two subclasses: exception and error. The hierarchical exception classes is given. First of all, throwable, and this is a two-way exception and Lyron. There are two-way, and next is IOE exception. In a exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. That is all about exception. And error in under stack overflow error, virtual machine error, and out of memory error. This is all about the exception handling. Thank you.